Hi there, this is Vladimir and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to drink tonight. I just wanna chill down and relax. I finished filming one guitar cover, so just wanna have a good time. I'm going to drink and listen soft music for relaxation. So I'm going to show you what I have. This is my snack, V-Cut. This is my favorite. I have Marlboro Red. I have C2. I have Ginebra San Miguel. And I'm using my metal mug. This is my jug. Now I'm going to start to mix everything. Let's get started. Going to open this. Cannot see the jug. It's in my front. First, I'm going to put the C2. Next is the gin. I'm going to open this. There it goes. I'm going to put the ice. One big ice. Now I'm going to wait for a minute until it's got cold. Then I'm ready to have some shots. So there it goes. After waiting for a minute, it's already cold. I'm ready to have some shots. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on. First, I'm going to open my snack. Time to open the VCAR. Pagay na. I'm going to have one mugshot. I'm going to drink it now. Cheers.
5-5 lang daw binili, dami daw binili. Sira-sira na daw pa. Bugbog yun ang kakain, Eli. Diba laro sila laro?
There's nothing left. To tell you the truth, taking one mugshot straight is strong. You will get high. Rock and roll. Now I'm going to try my snack.
Here we go around, side to side, and this is turning around. Turning around the world, this is turning around the world, this is turning around.
Wanna smoke?
And down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down.
So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell. Like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Super Fresh.